This 2018 Holiday Rambler Endeavor Z38N is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, 2 full baths. This 2018 Holiday Rambler Endeavor Z38N is built on a Freightliner XCM chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.